Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get off Doordash waitlist. So follow this simple process and first of all open your Doordash app and just keep checking your app if you are removed from waitlist or not. You have to check this on daily basis as it may take few days to skip your Doordash waitlist and you might be accepted. But if it is still in the waitlist, what you can do is simply contact their customer services. To do that, simply go back and open any of your browser. I'll currently go for Safari browser and search here DoorDash customer service. And when you search that, scroll down and find their service customer support. You can open that customer support and it will take you to a new tab. And on this tab, what you can do is simply scroll down and call us their phone number. Simply call on this phone number and you can contact them. And you can also visit their help center, this page, or chat with us in Doordash app. Simply click any of this, but the recommended method is simply click on the phone number and call them. And that they will take your application and process it as soon as possible. So that is a simple process of how you can get off Doordash waitlist within few days.